Yo, this is Nathan Schmidt with Earl Owen Company. Today we've got Paul here from Putco, and we are going to install and spotlight the Blade LED tailgate light bar.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
Let's check it out.
The raincoat, the raincoat.
All right, Paul, so we got the Blade light bar sitting here. So this is an easy plug and play installation, is that right?
Yeah, for sure. That's a big selling point of the Blade. Every Blade is fully plug and play. Everything from your old vehicles to your new Ford GM vehicles. And Putco actually has exclusive rights to a lot of those connectors. Right here, for this vehicle, we have our universal T-harness. It'll hook right into your 7-pin on your trailer and drop down a 4-pin and a reverse wire. Hook right up to that Blade.
Okay.
Give you a nice plug and play, no error codes, no trailer detect, fully functionality.
Okay, so when you plug this plug and play into the 7-way, can you still use the 7-way on your
100%, yeah.
Okay.
Plugs in the backside, so you're still fully accessible, still works 100%. All factory connections are left intact.
So what's the steps in the installation process?
Super easy. So first we're going to remove the tailgate.
Okay.
We're going to make sure the blade is level on that tailgate seam, and we'll drop the harness and the wiring down. We'll plug and play with the 7-pin behind the bumper, and then we'll clean up our wiring and it'll be all good to go.
All right, excellent. Let's get to installing.
Yeah, you'll want to clean your tailgate off real good before you install.
What's the next step?
Yeah, so next we'll send the blade up through the bumper, then we'll 3M adhere it to the bumper itself.
Okay.
After that, all we got to do is wire it up. So we'll send the blade up through this hole right over here, then line it up that way. All right, so next we'll apply our 3M backed patented clip sets to the back of the blade. Next, all we got to do is use our plug and play harness to wire it up and make sure it works.
Okay.
All right, so it's pretty simple. You'll take the 7-pin from the back, grab the 2 tabs from the front and bottom, and just remove that right here. Then you'll add the Putco plug and play wiring harness, and it'll leave all your factory connections intact, access to your 7-pin. All right, so the whole thing should be plug and play from here as well. You'll have your 4-pin to get your vehicle inputs into that tailgate light bar. You have a reverse wire, which is still plug and play. Then you'll have this wire, which is extra power if you want to do hook up a second light bar or something else like that. So it's pretty easy. All we'll do is take the 4-pin on the blade, hook it into the 4-pin here. Then we'll take our reverse wire, use a quick connect on this as well. All right, from here on out, all you got to do is take the wiring and hide it somewhere. I usually zip tie it to the frame up here.
All right, we got the blade installed, the wiring all hooked up and tucked up under the bumper. All we need to do now is put the tailgate on and plug in the camera if we have one.
That's right.
Paul, thanks so much for coming out today and helping us install the Putco Blade LED tailgate light bar. Can you tell us a little bit more about it?
Yeah, definitely. So it's a 5-function tailgate light bar. That means you get your turn signals, your brake light, your reverse light, your hazards, and a running light too. We have about 15 patents on this guy. It covers everything from the tube it's made out of to the silicone filling. That means you have a nice IP69K waterproof rating and nice, pack with Tech 2 compatible with vehicles. We also use a chip-on-board LED placement for this product. That means you get a really thinly spaced LED, so you get that really nice laser-like appearance on the bottom of your tailgate. Beyond that, we're also fully compatible with all vehicles. We're available with just a blade, we can direct wire, or you can order a blade direct fit kit that we just released about a week or 2 weeks ago. And with that, you'll get a kitted harness and a blade that will fit any vehicle on the road, any truck on the road, I should say. Everything from your new Ford vehicles to new GM vehicles. Putco has exclusive rights to a lot of these connectors as well. Beyond that, available below, and appreciate your time.
Thanks again, Paul. Hey, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Remember to tune in every Friday for more truck-related content like this. See y'all next week. What is this, the tailgate or the bed? Light bar. Well, thanks so much.